I'd like to introduce our range of delay lines for the PHAsis probe series. First, we have a massive Rexolite delay line. It consists of a Rexolite wedge with a flat contact surface as well as a locking nut. It is particularly suited for the inspection of slightly indented spot welds with flat surfaces. Its alignment towards the spot weld is done by moving it in order to get the welded spot best centered in the active area of the probe. In this way, its use is very simple. However, the hard-faced plastic delay line is unsuitable for the testing of heavily indented spot welds and curved surfaces. The other delay lines are our bubble series. They have a water chamber closed by a thin membrane. It is filled with water and connected to the probe. The membrane forms a flexible rubber bubble at its front. Thanks to its flexibility, the membrane adapts to the component surface. This allows even the inspection of heavily indented spot welds and rough or uneven surfaces. The bubble offers significantly better coupling properties and inspection results than the rigid Rexolite delay pass. Another advantage, since the membrane adapts to the component surface, only a single drop of coupling agent is used for inspection. This leads to a lower consumption of coupling agent compared to the use of Rexolite. It's also possible to use a simple drop of water. In this way, the water evaporates within a few minutes. This allows to use the bubble even for automated inspection with robots. The bubble series is also available in other designs for hard-to-reach spot welds. The principle of testing and the advantages are identical for all three variants.